Chapter 16. Festivals we celebrate. Let's learn national festivals, religious festivals, harvest festivals. India is called the land of festivals. People celebrate a festival almost every day in India. They wear new dresses, exchange greetings, and eat special dishes on these days. Festivals are mainly of three types: national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. National festivals. We celebrate three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. Independence Day of India is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day, in 1947, India got independence from British rule. The main ceremony on the Independence Day is held in Delhi. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort and also addresses the people from the Red Fort. Independence Day is also celebrated in all schools and government offices throughout the country. Info Hive. The national flag was hoisted for the first time on August 15, 1947 by Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru at the historic Red Fort in Delhi. Republic Day. The Republic Day of India is celebrated on 26 January every year. On this day, in 1950, India became a republic. Republic means that the country has adopted its own constitution and the head of state, that is the president, will be an elected position. The main function on Republic Day is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. A grand parade is taken out from Vijay Chowk. Our armed forces, school children and folk dancers take part in the parade. Beautiful presentations from different states showing their achievements form a big attraction of the parade. The President of India takes the salute of the parade. Government buildings around the Rashtrapati Bhavan are illuminated with the colorful lights in the evening. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great leader who led our freedom movement. The main function on Gandhi Jayanti is held at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi in New Delhi. The President, the Prime Minister and others gather at Rajghat to pay their homage. Mahatma Gandhi is lovingly called Bapu. Info Hive. Gandhiji's birthday, 2nd October, is celebrated worldwide as International Day of Non-Violence. Religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated by the people of different religions. Let us learn about some important religious festivals. Dussehra. Dussehra marks the victory of good over evil. It is celebrated to honor Lord Rama's victory over Ravana. Dussehra is celebrated for 10 days. During these days, Ram Leela, the story of Lord Ram, is enacted. On the 10th day, the effigies of Ravana, Meghnad and Kumbhakaran are burnt. In West Bengal, Dussehra is celebrated as Durga Puja. People worship idols of goddess Durga. On the last day, these idols are taken out in huge processions and then they are immersed in the holy water. Diwali. Diwali is called the Festival of Lights. It comes 20 days after Dussehra. Diwali marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years in exile. On Diwali, people decorate their houses with lights, clay lamps called diyas and candles. Colorful rangoli is made at the entrance of every house. People worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha at night. They exchange sweets and gifts. Children let off crackers. Businessmen celebrate Diwali as New Year's Day. Eid. Eid or Eid ul-Fitr is an important festival of the Muslims. It marks the end of the holy month of Ramadan. The Muslims keep a fast during this month. On Eid, people wear new dresses and go to the mosque or Idgah to offer prayers. They embrace each other saying Eid Mubarak. Food, money and clothes are distributed among the poor. A special sweet dish, sevaiya, is prepared on Eid. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate their houses with Christmas trees. They gather around these trees and sing carols. They also go to the church at midnight to offer prayers. Cakes and puddings are made on this day. Children believe that Santa Claus brings gifts for them at night. Gurpurab. Gurpurab is celebrated to mark the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. On Gurpurab, people go to the Gurudwaras to offer prayers. Processions are taken out and langars are organized in Gurudwaras. Special Kadha Prasad is prepared and distributed to people. Info Hive. The Gurudwaras are decorated with flowers, flags and posters describing various aspects of Sikh